We are at National Indoor RV Centers, have a couple of big upgrades that we're doing. We're gonna be doing Protang.
Once the fire actually hits it and it heats up, it will actually pop and release the substance to bring the temperature down below. We'll put the largest of the Protang tubes in here to mitigate any fire potential that could happen.
There is a special going on right now.
We are so excited. This is something that we've really been waiting for.
Yeah, you see this beautiful motorhome behind us.
That's not what we've been waiting for.
That's not what we've been waiting for. Actually, we are at National Indoor RV Centers, the Atlanta location, which is actually Lawrenceville, Georgia, and we have a couple of big upgrades that we're doing. We're gonna be doing Protang as well as Retroband. These are exclusive to National Indoor, and they are safety items. We did this on Nelly. We're now doing it on Stella. We're true believers in both these products because we like being safe.
We know many people who have had serious and some fatal blowouts on their RVs and explosions that definitely could have been avoided and made a lot better with the use of these products.
This process is going to take from 3 to 5 hours. So each one is like 2 to 3 hours, but they're going to have 2 techs working at the same time. So to really speed up the system. What's awesome about this location, I don't know about all the National Indoors, but I think a lot of them are. These guys are open every day for service.
Yeah,
from
today
8 to 6.
Today is Sunday.
Which
and
is
we're
awesome.
getting this install done.
You got to see the size of this place inside. So we're going to be in Bay 17. We'll be in there with the techs showing what's going on, why it's important. They'll explain a lot of this stuff. And then at the end, we're going to tell you some of the pricing because Protang is having a special right now, and you might have some questions about that as well as the Retroband. So we're out here with Justin. We have our motorhome in Bay 17 at National Indoor in Lawrenceville, Georgia, also known as the Atlanta location. But Justin is the service manager. He's gonna be talking about Protang. We're having that installed on our motorhome. That is a fire suppression system. But Justin is the expert on it. He's gonna explain what this is, how it works.
Right, so this tube here is Protang. It's a halon 2 chemistry. And what this does is that once the fire actually hits it and it heats up, it will actually pop and release the substance to bring the temperature down below the actual burn point of any of the materials in the coach. This will buy you enough time to get to evacuate the vehicle. In many cases, it will put out the flames, lithium batteries and things. It is better to look at this as something that'll give you time for safety, just because as everybody knows, we can't actually put out lithium permanently. So right now, Matt's actually putting on the sleeving to protect the Protang from any rub damage or anything like that. We'll do that to all the hoses that are any place that may actually have some sort of rub damage or anything that they're going to come in contact with. You can also see that Matt is sizing the Protang. He's organizing them based off of their size, and that gives us basically larger Protang will go towards the batteries or something that's more a larger heat load. And now Matt's actually going in here and routing the Protang up around the engine so that he can keep it away from anything that's so hot that it's going to discharge the Protang, but actually put it in a spot where it's most likely to, if there were any flames or anything like that, that they would actually touch it. Okay, so you can see that now Matt's going to be installing the Protang above the transfer switch here, which is another place, a common flash point for electrical fires and that type of thing. Anything to try to avoid us from having a catastrophic failure. Okay, here we're going to put the Protang up above the Oasis system for your hydronic heat, since there is an open flame in that. Okay, and here with this nice new lithium battery system, we'll definitely be running Protang right across the top of the inverter setup and all the electrical that goes along with it. With the lithium batteries, we'll put the largest of the Protang tubes in here to mitigate any fire potential that could happen. In here, we've got the driving bay that has a good majority of the chassis electrical in it. We'll always have a Protang tube inside there. In here, we definitely put the Protang inside the generator up towards the top to mitigate any fire. Inside, we install the Protang up in the dash area and also in the dryer.
All right, so that's all wrapped up. That took a few hours, nothing crazy, but it's a real nice peace of mind having that. Now, people might ask, what is this going to cost? There is a special going on right now. I'm going right from what you sent me. So for a limited time, 10% off the basic, 15% off the plus, 20% off of the premium. So to give you a little bit of a price frame, it's going to be around $21.95 up to $53.95. That's going to be 600 horsepower diesel premium. So that's kind of what you're looking at. And I know if you want to tell subscribers, how long is this actually good for? Like, what's the shelf life on this?
The shelf life on this is about 30 years. We'll find that the tube will degrade before the chemical does.
Yeah, so 30 years, that's pretty much the lifespan of most RVers' careers, never mind the RV itself. So it's kind of like a one and done thing. Now, any of these blow out, what do the people, you come back here? Like, how does that work?
Absolutely. Come back to an NRVC and we'll go ahead and change it and get you a new one.
So we want your feedback down below. Very easy process. Have you heard about this? Do you have fire suppression? Is it something that you are interested in? We like the safety. Now we can go down the road with our retro van. We could park at night, not having to worry about hopefully a fire breaking out. It's all just peace of mind. We want your feedback. If you like videos like this to the left of us, we'll put our RV upgrades playlist. We'll also put our RV travel vlogs playlist. We want to thank Justin here for taking the time, and we'll see you guys on the road.